Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Pentacles, King of Cups, and Knight of Swords in reverse. So with these cards, guys, Capricorn, in your situation, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really a pleasant one to work with. So people see you as someone really very easy to go with, a very friendly person, and they find you a really truthful, honest person, friendly, ready to help them in any situation. And you are someone who works in a team, works well in a team. And also there are people in your work or it may be in your life who are ready to help you with suggestions or with their hard work. So they are working with you, and you may have common goals and dreams to achieve in your life. Or this may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe this person and yourself, you have a beautiful understanding between you both, and you are working towards your common goals and dreams you have for each other, guys. And you are someone who is really creative. You have a lot of talents, skills, and knowledge. So you are using your skills and talents, and you are someone who is really honest about your dreams and goals, and you make you have honest intentions towards your dreams and goals, and you are working towards that, and you are very dedicated in whatever you choose for yourself, guys, Capricorn. You are dedicated working towards that, and maybe your good qualities are the reason for jealousy in your situation, guys. So there is someone, it may be a person from your work, or it may be a person from your family circle. It may be the person you love, or someone, it may be a friend. So they really consider you as their rival, and they are really working hard to become better than you. But you need not worry, guys. You are always better, and you are going to win in whatever challenges you are facing today, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Ace of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe you are in a connection with this person you love. You may have a level of understanding, but there are some things that you cannot relate to this person. Maybe there are some quarrels, arguments in this love. So there may be some kind of stress in this relationship you have with this person, guys. Maybe you need to go for that open communication with this person if you truly love them, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Empress in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe there were some doubts for you in your work situation. Something was not clear. But today you are having that clarity, and you know the truth. So what will work, or what is the reason for certain things happening in your work situation? You know for sure what is the reason, and you are going to see things more clearly today, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince, intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something. So that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys, and you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards, and today that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. and when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.